I-L-O-V-E-W-I-K-I-S-S kiss you. I-K-I-S-S kiss you on your F-A-C-E face.
All right, stop.
What? I'm being comical. Tiny, Tiny, what are you doing? You're on Candy camera, Tiny. She hears a noise. She don't miss anything, Tiny. You're creepy and you're kooky, mysterious. What? You don't like me singing to you? Huh? Yeah. No. You used to like me singing to you. No. You like my singing when I sing songs to you. I used to walk you around the block singing to you when you were an infant. Yeah, I did. You like my singing. You used to smile. You used to go to sleep in my arms when I carried you and sung to you. Yeah, you did. Leave you alone. You gotta tell me you love me first, then I'll leave you alone. No, you don't love me. You make me cry. Grandpa's gonna cry. Mom don't love me no more. You make me cry.
Yes, I'm out.
Love someone else?
Yeah.
Who am I supposed to love if I can't love you? Play with someone else? Call Leo's.
That is not what he said.
I can't understand him. Call Leo's.
That is not what he's saying.
What are you saying? He said something about Leo.
No, he didn't.
Huh?
What, baby?
Sound like he's saying Leo.
He's not saying Leo. Morty, do you want a diaper on or not?
Yeah.
Well, then take your pants off so you can put a diaper on.
I can't. I need someone's help.
You need someone's help. He likes to be babied.
Strip him. Strip him. Well, tell Grandpa to strip him. It's hard for Grandma to move around on this bed.
Wait a minute. I'm trying to...
I got it.
What? You messed me up.
I got